Hello everyone. Now this is one more example, but this one is in the question exercise. I mean question exercise 1.1, question 74. Okay, so I will let you see this question how to solve it, and then you can do the homework. Okay, for similar question like this. But then see, the question say find the center and radius of the circle, sketch its graph, and okay. And find and you save and find the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, that's this question give you x minus 2 the whole thing power 2 plus y plus 3 the whole thing power 2 equal to 16 over 9. When you see this equation, what this kind of equation is circle, right? But if I give the question, I may not say plot the circle graph. I may say get the graph of this equation, and then you must know that means is circle. Okay, and also you must know one like in this pattern is a standard form of equation of circle, correct? This is a standard form of circle. So then when you see this, you can see this right now, this question is the opposite, just reverse opposite from previous exercise and the question I give to you in the last lessons. So just convert opposite only. So this one, before they ask us to find the standard form, correct? And they give us the center and the radians, but now they give us standard form. When they give this one, you must know what is the center of, what is a center of circle, what's the radians. Okay, and you must know this is standard form. Okay, now is a standard form. This one standard form. So from this one, we know right away. We know center right away. How? By this one. Okay, you take this one x minus 2, let it equal to 0. And then x equal to 2. And at the same time, y here. You get y plus 3 equal to 0. And then you move y, right? Move plus 3 become negative 3. So then we know right away. This one center is what? X equal to 2, y equal to negative 3 right away. Okay, this is a negative 3. Okay, now we know center point now is a 2 and negative 3. Have to convert, don't forget. Because one day question give us the center point like a previous example or question, right? They give this as center, then you know, like in standard form, you just, the sign have to be opposite, that's it. This one plus then become minus, this one minus become plus, okay? But now if they give you standard form here, minus, then you want to get center, minus become 2, become plus 2, plus 3 become negative 3, this is a center point, okay? Now, 16 over 9. 16 over 9 is what? In the formula, standard formula mean r squared, correct? Then you have to get only one r. So you take root, correct? So when you take root, so this one gonna be square root 16 over 9. Don't forget plus minus, don't forget, please. Because index is what? Even number, okay? So then when you take the root, square root, you're gonna have plus minus 4 over 3, correct? That means approximate. If you convert to decimal point, you're gonna have plus minus what? 1.33. Okay, but again, don't forget radians. This 10 always positive, right? So this one negative sign, we omit it. So we take only plus sign. So no minus. Okay, so we take only the positive values. That means then we get now r equal to 1.33 approximate. Okay, so now we have center, we know radians. Now we start to plot graph though. Okay, how to plot graph? Then we plot graph. Okay, I will draw a coordinate plane. Okay, maybe I got close to this side. Then we start to plot graph. Then we know center, right? Center is a 2, x equal to 2, y equal to, Actually, this 2 is in formula is what? H, right? Don't forget this is a H. And plus 3 is a K, right? So that means this one center now is H and K. Another words, H is what? Like a X, right? X point, K is a Y point. That's all. When you plot graph, take this one H like a X and K like a Y. Okay, and this one is a X. Now we go to C center. Center C X K X equal to 2. So X is 2 here. Go down. Y equal to 3. 3 is here. It's here. So about approximate around here. So this is a center point. Center point X is a 2. Y is a -3. Okay. So then after this one, we have to find radians, right? We know radians equal to 1.33. Then we come to the right hand side. Come to the right hand side to get the radian 1.33. So from starting this center point here, we go 1.33, right? So then we know right now we calculate here. If I have, just say, if I have this one, I go to the right hand side, so I use X. Right now we use X, okay? So X to the right hand side. X right now is what? 2, right? This one 2 here. So you get to go to right hand side, use plus sign. Plus radian 1.33. So we have this one become 3.33. So that means we know the X when we go to the right hand side gonna be at 3.33. So this one's for 3.33 should be somewhere here, right? 3.33. So this one go down. Y still the same. Okay, Y still the same right here, -3. So maybe I have to erase this one, right? Make it nicer. It's okay here. Just this point. Okay, maybe I use different color at this one. This is the X, right? So we have 3.33. So it's right here at this point. Okay, this is the center. Now we go, now this one from the center, go to left hand side, 1.33 to the equal to radian 1.33. So to the left hand side from this point X equal to 2, go to the left 1.33. That means when you want to find the R to the left hand side, so X is a 2 here, right? X is a 2 here. So you to left hand side, you have to minus the radians 1.33. So to take it out, 1.33 is 0, approximate 0.67. Okay, so this is a value of X when you go to left hand side. So from this one, you go 0.6, X 0.6 is about here. This one 0.67, I mean. So 0.6, the X right go down to the same point at Y here. It's about here. Okay, still the same point, Y equal to -3 here. Okay, so we got 2 points now to the right and to the left. Okay. The 3.33, there should be somewhere here maybe. There should be equal length. Uh-oh. So this one gonna be about here. Okay, now we from this center point, we want to find radian up and down, right? So that means you have to start from the value of Y, which is equal to -3 here. So equal to -3 here. So I use a green color. Right now Y here is a -3, right? So from -3 go up. That means you have to use the value of Y equal to -3 here. So you say Y going up, Y is a -3. When you're going up, you use plus the radian again, become 1.33. So you subtract it, -3 plus 1.33, what we have? We have -1.67. Okay, so that means you leave the value of Y, negative Y, by going up. So -1.6. Y -1.6, you leave down, this is a 1, right? 1.67, I mean, negative 1.67. Negative 1.67 should be around here, correct? Around here. So you come really have to match the x equal to 2 here, right? This point. So 1.67, this one about here, negative 1.67. Make the x here equal to 2, right? So it should be about here. So this point, so I write down this x, this point, the coordinate point is a 2 minus 1.67. Okay. And then this, after this going up, right now you have to find radian in going down, y going down. So you can write down yd going down. Y is a negative 3 here, correct? So negative 3, when you go down, have to minus, then you minus the radian 1.33. So we're going to have minus plus y become 3, become minus 4.33. Okay, so then from this center point, the purple here, go down to make y equal to negative 4.33. So 4.33 is about here, negative 4.33. So make the center point equal to 2 is about here. So this about this point. So we have x equal to 2, y equal to negative 4.33. Okay. So now I can label, you should label for me, okay? You should label for me. I want to label this point, we just put for the x, right, to the right hand side. X to the right hand side is this one, right? So I have this point, okay, this point. So I label it. X to the right hand side is at 3.33. And the y equal to negative 3. And to the left hand side here, left hand side, this one, x 0.67. So this point is, can I write down there? This point means x 0.67 and the value of y is still negative 3. Okay, so once you have this 4 point now, you can start graph now. You can start plot graph, different. So you join the point, this is a center, okay, it's a circle, which it have center, at center is here 2, negative 3. And the radian from here, radian is going to be 1.33 or 1.33 radians. Okay, and after this, I want you find, okay, question, this one in the question did not ask you to find x and y-intercept, but I want you to do it, okay? To get x-intercept, y-intercept. How to do, same like a last question. This is y, okay? Same the last question. See how to get x, y-intercept. Start to get x, y-intercept, okay? X-intercept. X-intercept means y have to be 0, correct? Okay, so then you replace y equal to 0 in this equation. Okay, so we replace it, become x minus 2 power 2 plus y replace become 0 plus 3 power 2 equal to 16 over 9. Okay, so then you simplify, this is going to be 2 minus x minus 2 power 2 plus 3 power 2 is a 9, right? So equal to 16 over 9. Then simplify it, x minus 2, the whole thing power 2, equal to 16 over 9. This is a 9, correct? 3 power 2 is 9. So I move to this side right away, become minus 9. Okay, can I do right away? So this one going to be 16 minus 81 over 9. So what we left, minus is going to be negative 65 over 9, right? So then we want to find only one x. So we square root it both sides of power 1 over 2 for both sides, right, left and right. So we take the roots, square root. So this one going to be equal to square root negative 16 over 9. And then don't forget, because this power even, okay, power even, this one must have plus minus, don't forget. Power even must have plus minus sign. So again, you see this. Now inside we have negative. If you find the negative under root like this, we always say undivided, right? No answer, we cannot find. Or when you use calculator, they will show you error. Okay, you will see the word error on your calculator. That means that no solution because negative sign. So you see, in this case, no x-intercept. No x-intercept. You see the graph report have an intercept x here, but graph is down here. So no any point of the graph or circumference cut at the x-axis at all. So this is correct. So this is work. Okay. Now we see next one. If now we want to find y-intercept. So you see the graph, the same thing, no y-intercept, because the curve, the graph, a circle didn't cut any or met any point at the y-axis. So this one shouldn't y-intercept, no solution either. So that means say no y-intercept. So anyway, we work on see is true, right or wrong. Okay. If you find y-intercept, that means x equal to 0. So again, you replace x equal to 0 in this formula again to this question. Go back to this question again. Replace x equal to 0 in here. Okay. So now we replace x equal to 0 minus 2, the whole thing power 2 plus y plus 3, the whole thing power 2 equal to 16/9. Now this one become negative 2 power 2 plus y plus 3 power 2 equal to 16/9. Again, this one wash up this one. This the whole thing is a negative, but this is the even. Come out, this one should be 4, okay? But some students write down negative 4 is wrong, okay? Don't forget this one is an even number. When the whole thing power with even number, the sign come out should be plus, not negative. Okay, this one wrong. Some are still right away. Okay, so then we go on for this. So this one gonna be 4, right? Plus 4, plus, and then y plus 3, the whole thing power 2 equal to 16/9. Then you move plus 3 to this side, right? So we have 16/9 minus 4. So we have 16 minus 36/9. So we have negative 20, correct? We have negative 20/9. Again, from this one, this one, when you like the take the square root again, because we need only one y, right? So you take square root, gonna be 3 y plus 3 equal to square root negative 20/9. And then don't forget again this one plus minus, because the index is a power even number here. Everyone say that? So again, you see this. Again, this one have negative under the square root. So it's undivided again, correct? So this is undivided. Or when you use calculator again, they will show you error. Okay, so that means in this case, no y-intercept. Same thing. And then you see from the graph and from our correct calculation for x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, when calculation is both of them no intercept. And you see the graph is shown already. It's shown this no intercept at x-axis and no intercept at the y-axis. So then this one correct. And our graph should be okay too. They match. Okay. Okay, so I think that's all for this question, and then you can do, I give you about 3 to 4 questions. You can do the same way at this question 74. Okay, and you can check in your GC. Okay, thank you. That's all for this for this class. We see you next class. Okay, bye-bye.